How to use Apple Pay to buy V-Bucks. So first of all, type on search V-Bucks purchase like this and enter. After that, select this website. Now after they redirect you to the official website. Now click on buy now. Now as you can see, you can pay with credit card. Now go to your Apple, as you can see here. Now how to find the card. So open the wallet app on iPhone that is related to the Apple Card and tap on the Apple Card so that it is selected in wallet. So tap on the card icon like this 1 2 3 as it's shown here on the top of the wallet app. Now after that, now here you can see your Apple Card's credit card number and expiration date and security code and like CVV and more. Now after that, go back to this website and now you can fill this information here and click on place order, and now your V-Bucks should bought. So this is how to use Apple Pay to buy V-Bucks. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.